Hi, how are you? So this is a quick video on basic MLA formatting. Now this is actually from the OWL, Online Writing Lab of Purdue University. So that's OWL, Writing Lab. And they have it's a really great resource. So you can download this. Now you'll see that you have all the description of all these things here. So the title, it should be your name. You don't have to write your initial, that's fine. You don't have to do that. Then my name, Professor J.I.L.L. Rogers, the course, English and whatever number course it is, you don't have to write the section. And then the date, you'll notice the date is the kind of European or universal format with the day first, then the month, and then the year. Okay, and make sure you spell out the year all the way. Okay, now a lot of people mess this one up because the title should not have any bold, should not have any underlining. It should just be in the center. So it says titles are centered. Now everything you notice it keeps saying 12-point font. The whole thing should be double spaced in 12-point font. Another thing people don't get correct a lot is this insert of your last name and the page number. Okay, so you should have your last name and the page number on every page. It should be a ½ inch from the top, and you should have your last name followed by the page number. Okay. This is fine. This is just an example of a whole paper, and I'll give this example for you to look at. This actually goes into more detail than you probably even need to use, like using headings and things like that. It also has how to quote, which is really nice. So if there's a grammatical or spelling error in the text you're citing, for example, that's not really used that often, but it's nice to know that's what you should do. And if you need to use footnotes, use footnotes. That's not so common. In-text citations do happen more often. So you notice that you put in-text citations occur after the quote but before the period. See the author's last name and the page number, okay? That's really important. And you could just keep looking, but main thing is, that's all you really need to know typically. Now the bibliography or the works cited page is different. Let's take a look. Oh, in this case, here we go. So the works cited page it's complicated. A lot of people use things like easybib.com. And when you do a works cited page, there's a lot to learn about it. But if you take a look, you have works cited on top and center, no underlining, no bold. And then it goes in alphabetical order, as you can see. And then it has the certain way you do it. For example, here's the author's last name, the title, the place, and the year, and the print. Okay, so that type of thing. I would just suggest do easybib.com, and you can have your works cited page done for you. That's the easiest thing to do. And you just, if you haven't seen it before, you just go to easybib.com, type in your information, and say generate a citation. It's really easy. Okay, great. So let's just review real quickly. MLA format should be, sorry, let's go to the top. First name, last name, professor, first professor, and then write the full professor's name. Professor J.I.L.L. Rogers in this case. The name of the class, the date, universal date style, a centered title, and all of it should be in 12-point font. Okay. All right, that's basically it. And the citations are the author's last name followed by the page number in parentheses. Okay, great. And that's it.